Easy Bind makes repairing ripped and torn pages easy, transparent, and permanent. To repair a ripped or torn page, cut a strip of Easy Bind long enough to cover the tear. Remove the peel and place centering strip to expose the adhesive. Center the Easy Bind tape over the tear and press into place. Easy Bind can also be used in lieu of glue when you need to reinsert a single page or a small clump of pages back into a book. First, place the loose page or pages inside the Easy Trim and cut about 1/8 of an inch off one of the edges. Cut a strip of Easy Bind slightly shorter than the length of the page. Remove one side of the liner. Make sure that you are looking at the lower numbered page. Attach the exposed adhesive to the inner edge of the page. Then remove the peel and place strip. Wrap the whole page on your Kapce ruler so that the bottom of the page is flush to the bottom of the ruler. The exposed adhesive should be lined up along the edge of your ruler, adhesive side facing out. Using the ruler, guide the page back into the text block. Using a sawing motion, drive the tape into the hinge. Holding the ruler in place, remove the remaining liner and press the tape against the page. One strip of tape will hold the page in place.